Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. In this series of episodes of Anki Relics, today we'll be looking at the very first Cozmo. That is right, this year is serial number 1, the very first final production Cozmo, and we'll be turning him on and seeing exactly what he can do. Now, this video is sponsored by RoboPros, a company that's designed to go ahead and aid your Cozmo or Vector, as well as a variety of other robots in terms of repair. So if you guys want to learn more about them, check their link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, check it out. So this here is the very first production Cozmo. Now if you kind of look at the bottom right over here, you can actually see the serial number. That is right, it really says it. This here is serial number 00001. The very first final Cozmo that is in existence, and we have it here today. So you can actually see the way they designed it was actually a very high quality build piece, and this particular unit was actually designed in San Francisco, made in China, and yeah, I mean, it is something very cool to see and something that you don't really see too often at all, and the fact that we actually have it here today for you guys to see is actually really cool too. Now, this particular Cozmo is just like your typical looking Cozmo. I personally have noticed a variation in the different Cozmos from the very first ones to the final cutting edge, mainly because the build quality of it does differ between the different models. Now, one of the very first Cozmos that we reviewed actually has the same bottom part here where it says it's designed in San Francisco and has the same almost MN number, but the concept behind the newer ones were designed or built in different places. So it's kind of interesting to see how they went ahead and went about that. And I think the best way to send it off is to go ahead and turn them on and try them out. Oh cool, look, the animations are going. So just your typical Cozmo, nothing out of the ordinary. Move the head up, move the head down, move the claw up, or the arm down. And yeah, I mean, you can just use them as a typical robot, so exactly what a production Cozmo would have been like. But yeah, it's kind of cool to see the very first Cozmo, the very first serial number Cozmo in existence, and we have it here today, and it's fully functional, and it's just as cute as it ever was. If you guys had any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.